We're going to do a video on EURUSD, that's the euro against the dollar. We've got a daily chart here, blue 200-day moving average. And let's take a quick look at this daily chart. We'll show you an hour, then a weekly, and then we'll see some algorithmically generated entry prices. We're still in the trading range, no big deal going on here today. Essentially, I wouldn't call it a flat day, but not much going on here on this daily chart. We're above the 5-day moving average, we're above the 20-day moving average. The GBP USD, the British pound, is starting to break down against the dollar. I'm expecting the euro to do that as well. That's my opinion for entertainment purposes only, but I don't know how it can fight this for much longer. However, it does appear to be fighting it. And so on a daily chart, didn't do much today. We had a within day, nothing, no highs or new lows compared to yesterday. Let's take a look at the weekly chart and see if that gives us any insight. It's interesting. It looks like it closed right on the 20-week moving average, which is 1.001. And it's almost exactly closed right on there. So it didn't close really, I'm going to say it didn't close above or below right on it, and that's very significant. If we can get this close on a weekly basis, which would be Friday, whenever the currency closes, I'm not sure if it's Friday or how they do that for currencies. I think it's Friday. But if we can get a weekly close above this 20-week moving average, that's going to be very significant, because as you note here, it has not closed above that since January 2022 was the last time it closed above the weekly 20-week moving average. So that's going to be significant if it happens, but we'll have to wait and see till Friday, a couple more days. That is really a very interesting little picture right there. The euro's rallying, and it's kind of hard to deny because it looks like a decent little rally on the weekly chart. Let's look at the hourly. This is a 200-hour in blue moving average. Red is 20-hour, green is 5-hour. We can see it's definitely rolling over, but it's got to break through this almost insignificant low, but it is a low, and it's 0.997. It's got to break through that and head back down here to 0.992 to show us that it's starting to turn around a little bit. This right here is just intraday, and it's not that big of a deal. But if it gets down here to 0.992, then that's going to be significant, because if it breaks through and closes, they'll sell the heck out of it. So I would say that probably tomorrow, it's really not overbought or oversold. It's not really something I can give you a decent analysis on. Just have to wait and see tomorrow. My guess is they're going to try to push this low and see if they can. If it breaks this low here, 4 o'clock on the 8th of November, if it breaks that low, which is 0.9971, then they're going to try to push it down here to 992. But we'll have to wait till tomorrow and see what happens there. Let's take a look and see what RBAM research says about it. We have algorithmically generated prices for this for tomorrow, the 10th, 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day hold periods. We've got buys across the board, and they all look the same at 0.9987. So 0.9987 all the way across the board. Trading days, not calendar days, all for entertainment purposes only. You definitely trade at your own risk. Can't use our entry prices or commentary for anything but entertainment. And you should do your own analysis, but that's what we've got across the board for you. 0.998 on the EUR versus US dollar for the 10th of November tomorrow. You can get everything for free and try it yourself without having to come to YouTube at rbamresearch.com. Link in the description below. Access is free, no credit card required. Everything's updated before 7 a.m. and usually before or just after 6 p.m. the night before. 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. All algorithmically generated entry prices updated every day, Monday through Friday. Keep in mind, if you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. If you have a ticker symbol you'd like us to do a technical analysis video on, please leave it in the comment section below. And if it's a big one we think a lot of people would like to see, we will seriously consider doing it for you.